When nature speaks, even silence becomes a song. Every leaf of a tree tells a story of peace. The sun kisses the hills with warmth, and the river hums softly like a lullaby of life. In every shade of green, there is a promise of calm, and in every whisper of wind, a secret of the earth. Here the soul breathes freely, lost in the melody. Only nature can compose.